Hi kids! Today we will learn words starting with letter Z. Are you ready? So let's begin. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Zip. Z-I-P. Zip. Zoo. Z-O-O. Zoo. Zero. Z-E-R-O. Zero. Zigzag. Z-I-G-Z-A-G. Zigzag. Zucchini. Z-U-C-C-H-I-N-I. Zucchini. Zeppelin. Z-E-P-P-E-L-I-N. Zeppelin. Zoom. Z-O-O-M. Zoom. Zombie. Z-O-M-B-I-E. Zombie. Zinnia. Z-I-N-N-I-A. Zinnia. Zebra crossing. Z-E-B-R-A-C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G. Zebra crossing. Zinc. Z-I-N-C. Zinc. Zest. Z-E-S-T. Zest. Zamboni. Z-A-M-B-O-N-I. Zamboni. Zeaxanthin. Z-E-A-X-A-N-T-H-I-N. Zeaxanthin. Zebu. Z-E-B-U. Zebu. Z. Z-E-E. Z. Zeppole. Z-E-P-P-O-L-E. Zeppole. Zillion. Z-I-L-L-I-O-N. Zillion. Zither. Z-I-T-H-E-R. Zither. Zookeeper. Z-O-O-K-E-E-P-E-R. Zookeeper. Zori. Z-O-R-I. Zori. Zuppa. Z-U-P-P-A. Zuppa. Zwitterian. Z-W-I-T-T-E-R-I-O-N. Zwitterian. zeolite. Z-E-O-L-I-T-E, zeolite. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.